12th class students, today I am explaining you differential equations. See, what is differential equation? Definition is an equation which contains an independent variable, a dependent variable and its derivatives is known as differential equation. Here x is independent variable, y is dependent variable. See, x's are there, y's are there, and derivatives of y's also present. Such equation is differential equation. Example: dy by dx whole square, d square y by dx square plus 10x something, d cube y by dx cube, d square y by dx square, dy by dx some constants. All these present. Such equations are called differential equation. If equation has first order, it has only dy by dx. If equation is second order, it has d square y by dx square. If equation is third order, it has d cube y by dx cube. This means one time differentiated, this means two times differentiated, this means three times differentiated. Okay. Now in exam, first model questions, how they come is, form a differential equation. He will give a normal equation. He is asking, form a differential equation. How to form is, just differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to x. What is y derivative? dy by dx. C into x derivative 1 minus 2c square derivative. Because c is a constant, its derivative is 0. From this what we get is c is equal to dy by dx we got. Substitute this c value backwards. What you will get is y is equal to cx. C in place, what you will get? dy by dx into x minus 2 into, in place c, write dy by dx whole square. This is the differential equation formed from this. It's a short answer question, 2 marks question. Okay. Next important question asking is, find order and degree. Find order and degree of differential equation. Order means the highest derivative present in the equation is known as order. Degree means it is the power of highest order term. Example, see here, dy by dx whole square plus d square y by dx square plus 3x is equal to 0. Here it is a second order equation because 2 times differentiated. Therefore here order is equal to 2. We can identify easily the order. Order is the greatest derivative present. It is second derivative, second order. Now second order derivative power, nothing is given here. That means 1 is there. Therefore degree is 1. If suppose highest order term has fraction, we must remove the fraction. Another example, take d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube, dy by dx whole cube, whole power 6 by 5. Find order and degree of this equation. We can find easily the order is 2 because there is a dy by dx, there is a d square y by dx square. Therefore order is equal to 2. We can write easily first. Now but the highest order term is equal to some 6y. Now the highest order term has fraction whole power 6 by 5. Therefore how to remove is powered with 5 powers 5 by 6 like this. I'll rub here. See continuation, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube whole power 6 by 5 is equal to 6y given. Power is 6 by 5 is there. Therefore take power for 5 by 6. Then what you will get is 5 cancel, 6 cancel. This becomes d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube is equal to 6y whole power 5 by 6. Now highest order term, power is not a fraction, fraction removed. What is the power? It is there, nothing. Therefore it means 1. Therefore degree of this equation is equal to 1. Order is 2, degree is 1. Okay. Next model is solving the differential equations. There are so many solving methods. Important methods are variable separable method, homogeneous method, linear method, cross multiplication method, substitution method. I will explain you all these methods with one examples. Okay. Now the first method is variable separable method. What we will do in this method is all x terms and dx we will send one side, all y terms and dy we will send other side. Then we will integrate, we will get the solution. Example, see here dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y plus x square into e power minus y. Our target is sending all x terms and dx one side, sending y terms and dy other side. I can write this as dy by dx is equal to, this is equal to e power x into e power minus y plus this is x square into e power minus y. We can take e power x, e power y by e power y plus this is x square by e power y. What we did is e power y brought to denominator, it becomes e power y. Take LCM e power y, this is e power x plus x square, this is dy by dx as it is. Now send ey this side, dx this side, cross multiplication, we will get e power y into dy is equal to dx this side, e power x into dx plus x square into dx. Now variables are separated, then integrate on both sides. What you will get is integral e power y dy is equal to integral e power x dx plus integral x square into dx. We know the formula, e power y dy is nothing but e power y only. Integral e power x is e power x plus integral x square is x cube by 3 plus keep some constant. Okay. Next model is linear method. Solving equations by linear method. See, this method is applied for linear equations. How you can identify a linear equation is, if the differential equation is in the form dy by dx plus something into y is equal to something. This something is p, this something is q, assume they are the functions of x. It means there is a y, there are two functions of x. If equation is in this form, we can find by linear method. For this, first find integration factor. What is integration factor is, it is e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx. Substitute, you will get the integration factor value. Then solution of the equation is formula y into integration factor is equal to integral of q into integration factor. Give an example, dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to cos cube x. Compare with this, what is p? It is tan x. What is cube? It is cos cube x. Now first find integration factor. Integration factor is e power integral tan x. We know integral tan x formula is log secant x. Integration log e cancel, it is just secant x. Integration factor. After finding integration factor, substitute in the formula. What is formula? Y into integration factor is equal to integral of q into integration factor. I will substitute after rubbing this. Continuation, we know integration factor is secant x, q is cos cube x. Solution formula is y into integration factor is equal to integral q into integration factor dx. Substitute y into integration factor value is secant x. Integral of q means cos cube x. Integration factor is secant x dx. This is equal to y secant x is equal to integral of cos cube x. Secant x I can write as 1 by cos x. Then one cos will cancel. Now we are getting integral cos square x. We don't have any formula for cos square x. Replace this cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. Integrate, it is 1 by 2 dx integral plus 1 by 2 integral cos 2x dx. This becomes 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 into cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2 plus some constant take. This side is y secant x. Okay. I am having 25 years experience in teaching mathematics. This is just a demo class with 10 minutes. If you want sure success and 100% marks, please purchase the course. Otherwise, if you want live classes, please contact me. Okay.